Now it's time for Paganini. This is for the solo titled En Paganini. It really is just an excerpt from one of Paganini's fantastic suites for violin, which we learned about in last week in the Paganini videos, just how incredible Nicholas Paganini was as a violinist in Italy. So you can see in the picture above that I have divided this song up into different sections. We have orange, we have yellow, and we have pink. So you can see that there's a lot of orange, which means it just repeats itself a lot. Once you learn the first 1, 2, 3, 4 measures, it repeats itself several times. So we're going to go ahead and do note name, rhythm, and then note names in this video. And then we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to deal with just for the orange and yellow. The yellow is the ending at measure 8, because when we do the theme again, it's slightly different, the ending is. Then we're going to do another video where we talk about the lower half, whole bow, and upper half. Now, if you are working on long ago or little children, I've discussed this in both of those tutorial videos as well. So if you've already practiced in those videos, this particular bowing pattern, try it a little bit here, but you don't need to do it quite as much, okay? So let's go ahead and do our note names for measures 1 through, our rhythm, rhythm for measures 1 through 4. We're going to sing quarter and eighth to help us feel how it's alternating back and forth, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Eighth, quarter, 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 eighth, quarter. Okay, so that's right at the end of measure 4 before the last 2 eighth notes, okay? You can see I put a line there because that's where that little idea ends. And then after the line is where the next idea starts, okay? It starts on the 4th beat of that measure. All right, let's do it again. Singing eighths and quarters. Make sure you feel the nice, even alternating between eighth notes and quarter notes. 1, 2, clap and sing. Eighth, quarter, 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 eighth, quarter. Okay, so do that as many times as you need to. Now we're going to sing our note names. Here we go. Clap and sing with me, please. 1, 2, 3. A, G, F, F, E, D, A, G, F, F, E, D, D, E, F, G, E, G, A, G, F, E. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, G, F, F, E, D, A, G, F, F, E, D, D, E, F, E, D, G, E, G, A, G, F, E. Okay, now we pitch and sing slowly and carefully. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, G, F, F, E, D, A, G, F, F, E, D, D, E, F, G, E, G, A, G, F, E. Okay, I'll go a little slower. 1, 2, pits and sing. A, G, F, F, E, D. A, G, F, F, E, D. D, E, F, G, E, G, A, G, F, E. So that's tricky right there at the end of measure 3. It goes E, G. That's a skip. Before that, we were doing all stepwise motion. And then right there, he goes E, G, A. He's trying to trick you. Don't let him trick you, okay? Think ahead and go as slow as you need to to play it correctly. It's more important that you play it correctly at an extremely slow tempo than to go too fast and constantly fumble when you get to that section, or play the wrong notes and not even notice that you're playing the wrong notes. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. So that is the first 4 measures. We're now going to go into the next 4 measures, measures 5, 6, 7, and 8, which half of it is the same and half of it is different, okay? So we're just going to sing our note names out loud while clapping once, and then we're going to try some pizzicato, okay? Here we go. This is, you're playing the 8th note, the 2 8th notes right before measure 5. It's called a pickup, okay? 1, 2, 3. A, G, F, F, E, D. A, G, F, F, E, D. D, E, F, G, F, E, F, E, D. Rest. Okay, let's do it again. Starting at the pickup into measure 5, which are the 2 little 8th notes right before measure 5. You can see I have a little bar line in the picture above this video. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, clap and sing. A, G, F, F, E, D. A, G, F, F, E, D. D, E, F, G, F, E, F, E, D. Rest. Okay, so it's slightly shorter and it just changes a little bit in the yellow section, which you can see in the picture above. Go ahead and color code if you want. That would be awesome. Find your colored pencils or crayons and color in these sections. It will help you understand and internalize this structure of the piece better, and you'll learn it a lot quicker as a result. Okay? All right, let's pizzicato and sing note names starting from the 2 little 8th notes right before measure 5. Okay, here we go. Pizz and sing with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, G, F, F, E, D. A, G, F, F, E, D. D, E, F, G, F, E, F, E, D. Rest. Let's do it again. That was very good. 1, 2, sing and pizz. A, G, F, F, E, D. A, G, F, F, E, D. D, E, F, G, F, E, F, E, D. Rest. Great. Now we are going to pizz and sing from the beginning all the way to measure 8 at the end of the yellow section. You ready? Can we do it? I think we can. It's a lot of stuff that repeats itself, right? A lot of A, G, F, F, E, D. You're going to see that happening a lot. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and A, G, F, F, E, D. A, G, F, F, E, D. D, E, F, E, F, G, F, G, A, G, F, E. Don't get tricked by that. Here we go. A, G, F, measure 5. F, E, D. A, G, F, F, E, D. D, E, F, G, F, E, F, E, D. Rest. Now, what all this slow pizzicato work should be doing for you is 1, reinforcing the rhythm, and 2, helping you name those notes so it's all right there. And then when you play with your bow, you don't feel the need to have note names written in your music. You should not have note names in your music, right? Yes, yes. Okay, so here we go. From the beginning with our bow, we're going to go up to measure 9. Measure 1 to measure 9. I'm going to play very slowly. 1, 2, 3. E, D. So just playing really slowly. If you're getting tangled up, confused, then go back to the pizzicato. That's totally okay. If you don't play this a lot with your bow this week, that's okay. It's much, much better to spend the time pizzicatoing, singing note names, and feeling the rhythm correctly, okay? Once you get that mastered, then you can add on that layer of playing with your bow, okay? We want to make sure we're isolating and mastering things before we layer on other stuff. Because if we try to do every layer all at once, right away, then we just feel overwhelmed and we're like, I don't like this song, I don't want to play it. Poo, I'm practicing, right? But if we break it down and we drill each separate skill, then we can layer the skills. Drill the rhythm, drill the note names, right? The next video is going to talk about bow control and how we're going to use our bow. So we want to drill all of those skills separately, then we can successfully layer and have a beautiful song that you really enjoy playing, okay? So put your questions in the comments below so I can address them in next week's video, and have fun and good luck. Don't be scared of making mistakes. That's always going to happen, okay? So just do your best and we will see you next week.